We, Arnab and Virat, will take you on an exciting journey into the world of innovation, where technology meets sustainability. As the global population grows, traditional farming methods struggles a lot to meet the rising demand of food and other resources without further causing environmental harm. To address this, we have developed renewable solar energy using an Arduino-based system. This approach modernizes farming, reducing environmental impact and ensuring a greener future.
Let me show you the working of our model. We are collecting rainwater in a pond which we have stored in the well, which is used to irrigate the field.
So in this project, we have used smart irrigation. So what happens, this soil moisture sensor detects dryness in the soil and sends signal to the Arduino, and Arduino sends signal to the motor to turn on. Now as you can see, motor is irrigating the field. So now that the irrigation is ended, we have also used a SIM module to send message on the phone. So at the starting of the irrigation, when the motor was on, the message was already sent. Now that the irrigation has stopped, the other SMS also sent that motor is off.
To power our Arduino system, we are using solar energy. Solar energy is a cost-effective as well as a renewable source of energy. Here is the solar charge controller which ensures safe charging of our 12-volt lead-acid battery to our panels.
Additionally, we have used touch-activated buzzer along the farm perimeter to prevent the entering of livestock in our field.
The crop is harvested, it is stored in a smart godown. In a smart godown, there are numerous amount of sensors like the humidity and temperature sensor, which detects the humidity and temperature, ensuring that it stays low, so we minimize the chance of growth of microorganisms. There are two infrared sensors which disallow the entrance of rodents into our godown. If by chance a rodent enters the godown, a buzzer will beep. At last, there is the MQ135 gas detector sensor which detects harmful gases like ammonia and carbon dioxide, indicating the farmer that the air quality in the godown has decreased. Earlier, the air quality was around 90, but now you can see the air quality has decreased by a tremendous amount to.
Now the value you can see is around 650. After our crop is ready, we have made a plant disease detecting system to detect any disease occurring in our plant. For now, we have used tomato database as our model system. So I will run this program. Now after running the program, I will copy this link and paste it on my web browser. So as you can see, our website is ready to go, and now I can choose the picture of my tomato. Now I will click on predict, and as you can see, the name of the disease and the treatment.
Furthermore, by ensuring the production of healthy food and promoting sustainable agricultural practices, our project aligns with SDG 3 Good Health and Well-being by providing nutritious and sumptuous food to communities without causing environmental harm. This comprehensive approach combines technology, sustainability, and innovation to create a new model for a future of our agriculture that meets the need for growing population without compromising the health of our planet. Thank you.